Ever found yourself wishing you could check your balance, pay a bill, or move money without having to trek to a branch or wait on hold? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, online banking has become an absolute essential, putting your finances at your fingertips 24/7. And if you're a Lloyds customer, activating your online banking is your first step towards this convenience. But where do you even begin? It might seem a little daunting at first, but trust me, it's a straightforward process. Think of this video as your friendly guide, walking you through each step to get you set up and banking online with Lloyds in no time. We'll break it down into easy-to-follow instructions, so you can ditch the paperwork and embrace the digital world of banking. Before we dive in, make sure you have a couple of things handy. Firstly, you'll need your Lloyds debit card or credit card. This is crucial for verifying your identity. Secondly, you'll need access to either your mobile phone or your email address that's registered with Lloyds. They'll use these to send you important security codes and confirmations throughout the activation process. Got those ready? Great, let's get started. The first step is to head over to the Lloyds Bank website. You can simply type Lloyds Bank Online Banking into your search engine, and it should be the first result. Once you're on their homepage, look for the Login button. It's usually located in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Don't click it just yet. Instead, you'll want to find a link that says something like Register for Online Banking or First Time Logging In. Click on that. This will take you to the online banking registration page. Here, you'll be asked to enter some personal details to verify your identity. This is where your Lloyds card comes in. You'll likely need to input your card number, the expiry date, and the last 3 digits of the security code on the back of your card. Make sure you double-check these details to avoid any errors. Next, you'll be prompted to create your login details. This usually involves choosing a username and a strong, secure password. Remember to pick a password that's a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid using easily guessable information like your name or date of birth. Keep your login details safe and don't share them with anyone. After setting up your login credentials, Lloyds will need to verify your identity further. This is where your registered mobile phone number or email address comes into play. They will send you a one-time security code either via SMS or email. Enter this code on the website when prompted. This confirms that it's really you trying to activate the online banking service. Once you've entered the security code successfully, you'll likely be asked to set up some security questions and answers. These are an extra layer of protection for your account and will be used if you ever forget your password or need to verify your identity in the future. Choose questions and answers that you'll remember easily but are difficult for others to guess. Finally, you will probably be asked to review and agree to the terms and conditions of Lloyds online banking. Take a moment to read through these before ticking the box to confirm your agreement. And that's it. You should now have successfully activated your Lloyds online banking. You can now log in using the username and password you created. Take some time to explore the online banking portal. You'll find a range of features, from checking your account balances and recent transactions to making payments, setting up standing orders, and managing your personal details. Familiarize yourself with the different sections so you can make the most of this convenient service. If you encounter any issues during the activation process, don't hesitate to reach out to Lloyds Bank's customer support. They have dedicated teams ready to assist you either through phone, email, or even live chat on their website. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.